Hi, I'm Mike. We all have our honey-do lists. Sometimes it's take out the trash, sometimes it's wash the car, and sometimes it's the big one. Today, Erin pulls out a marker, and hopefully we gain some points, as she wants to have a farmer's market right here in the shop on the ranch today. The last farmer's market got called off in town. This is her redemption on the project list on our Wyoming Life. Welcome back to our Wyoming Life. Some weeks, the project list takes a weird turn. Sometimes it's due to something breaking that needs fixed right away, and sometimes it's my own doing. Most of the time, I know what I have coming up, and I'm able to plan for it and get it done. Today, however, is a little bit different. This short notice project list is one that's pretty time dependent. If you're new here, let me just explain for a few seconds. The project list is a list on the board behind me here. It's a list of things that need done around here on the ranch, and each Tuesday we pick something off the board and we go for it. We walk through it and we give you the how and the why we're doing it. Today we're straying from the norm, and I blame Erin. Not really. The whole ranch is a family affair, and we said long ago that if we're going to do this, we're going to have to work as a team. Today is a team effort. Last Saturday was supposed to be farmer's market in town. Bad weather and other trade shows and the like in town caused Erin to actually cancel it. She decided that she didn't want to be the only person there, and I don't blame her. But like with most things, Erin can't just let it lie there. She feels a responsibility to her customers, and she did already have a bunch of stuff picked and ready to go. It has to go somewhere. So in a spur-of-the-moment decision, she decided to have farmer's market out here. Just us on the ranch, in the shop. And surprise, 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 the shop is a disaster. We need to get it cleaned up and ready to go by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Erin's inside starting to make her baked goods for market. She'll be out picking more vegetables later on today, and it's now about 9 a.m. The animals have been fed and the clock is ticking. Here's how I hope that today will go. I need to get the shop cleaned out, clean the floors a bit, get everything nice and pretty to receive guests, and then we're gonna have to move the peacock back into the barn for a little bit. Then hopefully Erin will be done baking and picking vegetables and be able to come down and help set up. Someone's gonna have to run into town about 3 o'clock and get girls from school, then come back out and help finish to get ready by 4. After getting all the big stuff that we can out of the way, we can start with the small. All of the burnable trash, most of the cardboard, all that's going to go to the incinerator where it's going to be torched. Everything else that needs to get put away is moved. Now, I guess put away is kind of a strong term. Let's just say restashed until later. Then it's time to go and check in with Erin in the house and see where she sits. Hi, Erin.
Hi.
What are you working on?
Zucchini bread.
Erin is making zucchini bread.
Chocolate chip zucchini.
Are you stressed out a little bit?
Just in a hurry. And I need the sun to come out so I can pick lettuce. But it's supposed to, so I think we'll be okay.
What else are you making for this shindig?
Got carrot cake in the oven, banana bread, orange cranberry bread, pumpkin cream cheese bread, and caramel rolls. So pretty much the normal. I didn't bake everything that I normally do, but most of it. I have to be done by noon. That's my plan. Done baking by noon so I can pick and wash.
With her hope to be out picking vegetables by noon, we head back out to the shop. Some things are stashed in the sales barn, some stuff goes in the kitchen and the shop. The big goal here is to get everything out of the way, give us the illusion of order, and I'm good at doing that. Soon the shop is vacated of everything that doesn't need to be in here except for the peacock. He's taken back out to the barn for now, and his roost is moved out to the sales barn. Out of sight, out of mind. Floors are next, and it's incredible to me how much dirt a shop floor can accumulate. I tend to sweep and then run a shop vac into the hard to reach spaces, and even Lincoln comes out to lend a hand with the vacuum. Hearing protection included. Erin gives me a pass on scrubbing the floors. She's probably right, they wouldn't be dry in time anyway. And as noon comes and goes, she's actually not out in the garden yet getting anything picked. The clock keeps ticking and cleanup continues, and soon Erin gets out of the house. She heads over to the gardens and starts harvesting lettuce during the 40-degree weather. Kale and Salanova lettuce are both harvested, and after harvesting, everything is put back to bed. Then it's back to the shop for washing and cleaning. Kale is bundled for sale, and lettuce is packaged. By 3 o'clock, it's off to get kids, and when I return, Erin has tables set up, and the kids get to helping, sorting out carrots into bins. Erin starts pricing, and by a little after 4, we're ready to go. Signs are on the road to guide people in, and if you build it, they will come. And some do. This whole market at the ranch thing is kind of an experiment. Will the people drive 20 minutes to come out? Will they find it worthwhile? Customers can be fickle, and I get it. Time is money. But if we don't try, then we'll never know. We decided to stay open for 4 hours, and there is a good amount of downtime. It's not the steady crowd that we deal with at summer farmers market, but overall the day seems to be worth it.
The regulars that came out and bought quite a bit of meat, which was good, and some veggies. I think if we're gonna do market at the ranch, I think it could be super successful. We just need to train people that we're gonna be out here. We need to be consistent, and we have no plan for like doing this in the future, but we've done it before. It's been a couple years. That first one went better, but it was also on a Saturday. I think this week is just hard. You know, it was hard. We had to cancel market on Saturday because there was just too many things going on around town, and the weather was bad, and now I just think everyone's busy with Thanksgiving prep. So I will say it was worth it. You know, according to my cash box, it was worth it. Was it worth my time? I don't know. We have a lot of leftover baked goods for our freezer for the winter, so I don't have to bake all winter for us.
We often talk about exploring the ranch life and escaping the ordinary. More often than not, we end up escaping our own ordinary, just like today. This was something that we've never done in quite this way. We had a summer market out here a few years ago, but this is the first market we've actually tried to pull off in November. Was it worth it? I'd like to think so. It was a good experiment. We didn't get a whole lot of traffic, but those that did come, they did spend money. They bought a lot of meat, so that's a good thing. I ended up with a clean shop, although I think I'm still gonna have to scrub the floor a little bit, and Erin is happy. That's all that really matters. Her customers that missed her last weekend were able to come out and get their shopping list filled. We sold hams and roasts for Thanksgiving and Christmas tables, and that really makes it worth it. To be able to pass our work on to others and to enjoy, well, for them to enjoy, I guess, and actually be able to have interaction with the customers. For them knowing exactly where they're buying their food from, and for us, it's all about that personal connection. There's nothing like it. Thanks for coming along today. It was a little bit hectic and a whole lot stressful, but we got it done. And honestly, I really wasn't sure we could pull it off. This Thursday, we're taking the day to spend with family, so there will not be a full Thursday video from us, but we'll be back on Sunday with our normal ranch video, and we hope to see you then. Please hit that thumbs up, and until I do see you again, I want you to have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. And thanks for joining us in our Wyoming Life.